I'm filming. So it's got all automatic down feeds and everything?
Yep.
It's a completely automatic machine?
Pretty much. Instead of having to move stops for this, it's all set. It's all set electronically, so you get your edge of your work defined, and you want auto down feed. This is your increments.
And it looks like you have a coolant tank with a skimmer on it.
It's got the magnetic separator and paper filter.
Do you run it dry or with coolant mostly?
Usually it's always coolant.
But you can run it either way, eh?
Well, some materials you can grind dry, but
Right.
the problem with grinding dry is it creates so much heat that you can't hold tolerance.
Looks like you have a DRO on it.
Yep.
Oh, that's a nice DRO.
That's on the 2 axes.
Have you ever had to replace anything like the spindle bearings or anything like that?
Nothing major. I had to look in the automatic down feed. There's a little hydraulic cylinder in here that kicks the ratchet and pull system for the auto down feed.